Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my famous workbench. Today we're highlighting a light assembly that Aquatic use in their Whirlpool bathtubs. It's what's called a front access light assembly. That way you can change the light bulb from inside the tub. Let me show you how it all goes together. Alright, first I want to go over the dimensions to make sure this is the right light lens for you. I got my digital micrometer. I'm measuring across the actual face of the light assembly. Okay, and we're 2 3/8 diameter across, 2 3/8 inches in diameter across the face of the jet. And the threads on the backside measure 2 11/64 across. Okay, now let me show you how the lock system goes together on the backside. First you have an L-shaped gasket, okay? So you want that L to be in that lineup so it wraps around the spa shell. Now it is a tight fit when you get it on there. And also make sure your tub is very clean of any previous debris. When changing this light, there might be some silicone or some other parts of the old gasket still stuck to the tub. Make sure that is 100% clean before you go to put this guy back on. Okay, once you got the gasket on nice and snug, you slide it through the hole in your tub and you're going to get your lock nut and thread that guy in the backside and just get it nice and snug on the backside. You don't want to over tight. Check for leaks. If it's dripping, just tighten up a little bit more. The light bulb bayonet just plugs in right onto the backside right there. Alright, now let's take a look at the front side. This tool is sold separately if you need this tool. Now this tool is only for removing the front of the lens to change the light bulb. Okay, once I get this off, I'm going to show you how it all goes together. It has a nice little fitting here on the front here to put your socket if you wanted to, which is nice. So basically there's 4 flat spots that'll fit on 4 flat spots on the front of the light lens. And that guy just threads right out. Let me hold this up so you guys can see. We got a little flat spot right there. And we got 4 of them on the light lens itself. So those guys will just match right up. And it gives you the leverage to be able to remove that from the light assembly. Behind the light assembly there's a gasket here. Okay, so this can cause leakage as well. Unfortunately this gasket is not sold separately. You'll have to buy the whole entire light assembly if you only need to change the gasket. Alright, let's put this guy back together. First I'm going to get it started down hand tight. And again, we're just going to get it snug with the tool. Doesn't have to be super tight. Just enough to keep the water out. You don't want to over tighten and crack the light assembly. And that's everything you need to know about the light assembly used by Aquatic Tubs. Any questions beyond this video, feel free to give us a call. We are your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube page.